This video introduces MuscleBlaze Biozyme Performance Whey Protein Powder. This protein is made from 100% clean and pure concentrate whey, sourced from the USA and Europe. It is free from artificial colors, flavors, added sugar, or preservatives. It is the world's only protein with US patented enzymes. The enhanced absorption formula delivers 50% higher protein absorption, optimizing muscle recovery and easing digestion. MuscleBlaze Biozyme is one of the most tested whey proteins, blind tested by Labdoor, Informed Choice, and Trustified Gold for purity and accurate claims. It is free from heavy metals, banned substances, and more. The product is tested by the best labs worldwide and trusted by over 10 million customers. Biozyme is built on science, being US patented, most third-party lab tested, and clean without harmful chemicals. Experience the chocolate hazelnut flavor. It's a luxurious blend of smooth chocolate and roasted hazelnuts for a rich, creamy, and satisfying high-protein treat. Biozyme Performance Whey in chocolate hazelnut flavor provides pure whey concentrate with 25 grams of protein per scoop. This is India's first clinically proven whey protein, demonstrating superior absorption and enhanced muscle-building efficacy. The clinical study is registered with the ICMR's Clinical Trials Registry. MuscleBlaze Biozyme is a globally recognized, award-winning protein, including the Nutra Ingredients Award 2021. It also features the Asia Star Award-winning Scoop on Top packaging for convenience and hygiene. Biozyme is cleaner than the rest, containing no harmful chemicals, including no preservatives, added sugar, artificial flavors, filler ingredients, or artificial colors. It is the world's only protein with US patented enzymes. It is formulated with high-quality whey, made in FDA-registered facilities, and undergoes over 550 rigorous quality checks per batch. Biozyme is built for every body and every goal. It supports muscle growth, speeds recovery, and fuels your body for any activity, whether you're a gym goer, athlete, yoga enthusiast, fitness fanatic, or runner. Biozyme is built on science, is US patented, most third-party lab tested, and clean, trusted by millions of customers worldwide. It is 100% blind tested by multiple certifications for label accuracy, amino spiking, heavy metals, contaminants, and aflatoxins, ensuring a clean and pure protein. MuscleBlaze is the trusted protein partner of Cult.fit, one of India's fitness leaders, choosing Biozyme Whey. Thank you for watching the video.